Goodies, welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen, how to cook. And today we are in the kitchen, of course. I'm going to be showing you guys what I bought for under $100, okay? So make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and all them good something there. Tell a friend for tell a friend. All right. So without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. All right, y'all. Let's start off with our grocery haul. All right, so I picked up these potatoes. It was $1.69. Very affordable. And I also picked up these overly ripe bananas because I'm going to be making banana fritters. This was 99 cents for these overripe bananas. You know, some like to buy them. Either I'm going to make banana fritters or banana bread. All right, and so I picked up this peppermint matcha for my coffee. Right, it's not my best flavor, but I picked it up anyway. Right, this was probably like $3.49 for this. I picked up some vanilla almond milk. This one was like 2 for $5, but I only wanted one. All right, and then I picked up some coconut cream by Grace. Picked up some macaroni because I'm going to be making shrimp rasta pasta. This is for future. This is Chipotle lime chicken strips. All right, they are for me too. When I want to make a quick salad. Also picked this up for husband's lunch for work. All right. This one is pretty good. I like this one. This one is a smoked ham. All right. Lasts for a couple, maybe a week or so, maybe a week and a half for lunch. And I also picked up this bread and chicken fillet to make sandwiches, whatever. All right. Make sandwiches, a nice little sandwich when I don't feel like cooking or whatever. Also grab some shrimp. This is what I'm going to be using to make the shrimp rasta pasta very soon with the coconut milk. All right, so that's what's on this side. And then over here, I'm gonna have some thyme. Was $1.16. They're not have Scotch bonnet pepper in there, so I picked up whatever they had. It says, well, habanero peppers. Not very hot, but it will work for now until I get to the real farmer's market. That was $1.51. Also picked up some scallion. That was 89 cents for a bundle. I grabbed this Raymond lettuce. This was on sale for $1.49. Okay, I love me some Raymond lettuce. Also picked up some tomatoes or salad or whatever you want to call this. One's pretty big. This one was $2.43. Right, so also grab some crinkle fries. Okay, like I said, when I don't feel like cooking much of anything, like right now, okay, I just have this with a burger or whatever, homemade, and I absolutely love this bread. This is a sourdough square bread. Love it. Listen, if y'all never tried this bread, try it. It is in Food Depot. Like $3 and change. It tastes better than auto bread. Trust me when I tell you. Absolutely nice with some porridge. I'm gonna have some porridge right now with this, because that's what I feel for. I'm not cooking nothing. Okay. All right, so over here I did pick up some bay leaves. Can't do without bay leaves, right? Picked up some pimento seeds because the one that I have is almost finished. So I'm going to throw this in the bottle. This was 99 cents. Ain't not much in there though. Look at that. Oh my God. Ain't not much in there. But this was a lot for 99 cents. Also, I picked up some nutmeg because I was out on that. Can't have a household without nutmeg, right? Nutmeg. I always pronounce it wrong. I don't know that guy already. Alright, so I picked up also some Hickory smoked barbecue sauce because I'm going to be making some vegan stuff and some other stuff, and I wanted to have some barbecue sauce on it. Also grabbed some ginger snaps cookie. That's one of my husband's favorite cookie to snack on. Ginger snaps, right? Picked up some spaghetti because I'm planning on making some meatballs and spaghetti very, very soon, or whatever. Alright, and then this was very cheap though. And I also picked up this Iberia red kidney beans. I've used this several times, and I absolutely love it. Parboiled rice. For some reason, I guess everybody's cooking with parboiled rice because I spread the word so much. So now the parboiled rice was very limited. All they had in the store was this size. So I had to pick it up because I'm going to cook some rice and peas also. Alright, so I picked up this instant white rice here. Essential everyday white rice. Because I love to have this 5-minute rice, y'all. Because it does me some justice, okay? Pop it in the microwave and I'm good to go. You could stovetop that too, but for me, I just put it in the microwave. I picked up a little bit of cabbage. This was 75 cents. This is pretty small, but it will work. All right, and what else? Ooh, almost dropped my phone. All right, and so I picked up just 4 green bananas. Whatever, I don't know what I'm gonna cook, but I know I need green bananas in the house, okay? This was very cheap also. And then I also picked up some ripe plantains. Okay, this was only $2.86. That was a good deal. And for breakfast, because y'all know, I already tell you guys that I'm not a big breakfast eater. I like to have some cereal in the morning or oatmeal or something. So this one is a sweetened wheat and rice cereal with cinnamon. Love this. It is so good. Food Depot. So nice. I love this. This one was $3 and change for that one there. And then I picked up a bag of legs and quarters. All natural here. I'm going to go ahead and cut it up, of course, and separate the pieces so I could have several meals out of that. But y'all, that is what I bought. And this is my receipt. Alright, so I spent a total of $84.89 altogether in Food Depot. Okay, so that was what you could buy. That is what under $100 could get you in a Food Depot. That right there, which I think is a lot, and over here, pretty good. Alright, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Please do not hesitate to give a thumbs up on your way out. It is so cold outside. But I'm just going to go pack these things away and mellow out. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.